In this video I'm going to be speaking to you about how I attached my brackets to my side fairings for my motorbike. I done this by spot welding my brackets onto my side fairings using this machine here. It's a 3-phase spot welder used by vehicle body repairers for attaching panels, new panels to cars such as quarter panels and so on. You can see here I have an airline attached to the rear of the machine, and that's for working the spot welder here. When I'm spot welding, I will put the material between the electrodes like that and hold it in position. When I press this button here, the electrodes move together and clamp the piece of material between the two electrodes. An electrical current passes through the material. This causes the material to weld together, which leaves a spot weld between the two pieces of material. Now you can see here this sheeting I'm using has a coating on it, and before I start spot welding I had to grind down each part that I'm going welding, both sides, because this would not allow the current to flow easily through the material, and it may cause actually a hole to be blown through the material. So now that I have the material ground down, I have it clamped in position and my spot welder ready to go, I am ready to start spot welding. Just one more thing before I start spot welding: I need to clean the electrodes here because they've been used previously. Now I've done this by cleaning them with some 80 grit sandpaper like so, and I cleaned off the electrodes. So now I'm ready to start spot welding my brackets onto my fairings.